Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Wydling in Doodle World. To begin, understand that Wydling is a special cosmetic skin, not a separate doodle. It is a rare variant that players actively seek out. While there isn't a single, easy button, we will cover the most effective strategies to add this unique skin to your collection. Prepare for an exciting hunt. To maximize your chances of finding Wydling, focus on chaining encounters. Battling and defeating doodles consecutively without fleeing or losing increases your chain count. A higher chain significantly boosts the likelihood of rare doodles and skins appearing. Also, consider using any in-game items that temporarily enhance your encounter rates for a better hunt. When hunting for Wydling, choose your locations wisely. Areas with a wide variety of doodle spawns and extensive patches of tall grass are ideal for frequent encounters. While no specific spot guarantees Wydling, consistent hunting in these high-density areas will give you the best opportunity. Remember, finding rare skins often requires significant patience and persistence. If wild hunting proves challenging, consider trading for the Wydling skin. Many players in the Doodle World community are open to trading rare doodles and skins. Join official forums or social groups to connect with potential traders. Be ready to offer something of comparable value, such as other rare doodles or desirable in-game items, to secure your very own Wydling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.